Look who's here.
Hi.
Welcome back to the Griffin Loft. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Seems like one of the previous videos I did, you guys really enjoyed, so we went and got some more stuff from that line, and we got Lost Kitties Mice Mania. It's 5+, it's season 3, and it says it contains choking items, blah blah blah. But yeah, so the little man's I'm gonna get the plastic off of it and stuff,
Yeah.
and then Dante's gonna get on it down below. So we got a tray down here in case it's messy, and we're gonna turn the camera down onto the table. Okay, we'll be back with you in a minute. The red button on the back. We back, and I'll take the lid. You want to try and take the lid off?
Yeah.
Pop it. Twist. There you go. Whoa! What do we got?
A surprise.
Just keep it down. You need scissors?
No, I got it. Yeah, I might need scissors.
Sure, buddy.
Oh, actually.
There's the little ones. Watch your fingers. There you go.
I'll have to put them in.
Garbage bag. Got a feeling it's going to be a messy one.
Okay, got it open.
What do we got in there?
We got a flying kitty.
Got a flying kitty. A sleeping kitty.
It looks like a flying kitty.
Might be a flying kitty. Okay. Now, apparently, all you're supposed to do is peel the label off right here. Poster.
Yeah, a poster for me and a sticker. Stickers. Oh, you get stickers. So, look from the start.
Cool.
Comes with stickers. These are the stickers.
I gotta get my glasses to see how this works. It's really hot here, guys. Sorry. Reload. No, I don't want to reload. Open. Take the where's... Oh, there it is.
Okay, now it's on.
Now it's turning. You turn. It's you. You can hold it. Turn it. Stuff coming out?
Looks like it. There it is.
Okay.
It's Play-Doh.
There's stuff in there, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Here, want me to do it for you? I think that's it.
Oh, there's more.
You check that and I'll see.
Play-Doh.
No, that's just a piece of the dough. There's no more dudes on them.
Okay, so mini, tiny bag. Okay. More Play-Doh. And another bag. Okay.
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna open it with the scissors.
There, bud. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There, see? That's the rest.
A tiny mouse. A yellow mouse. Can I see it?
Yeah, you can hold it up too.
So there's a tiny mouse. The yellow one.
Yeah, that's the end of it.
This one. And we got a green mouse. Don't forget to put that thing open.
Oh, there. Now it's reloaded so we can do it again. I'll buy some more dudes later, maybe.
So now we got a green mouse.
So you got 2 green mouse.
No,
Yeah.
that one has spots on it and that one doesn't.
Okay, is that what came in it all? You got 2. Oh, that's my glasses. You got 2 kitties?
Yep.
Or 1 kitty and 2 mice?
Yeah. It's like the kitty is sleeping and these 2 mice are sleeping too.
Okay, cool. So is that it for this one?
Yep.
So you want to show them everything that came in it again?
Okay, so a sleeping kitty. Sleeping kitty. A mouse with spots on it. And a mouse with no spots on it. A green, those 2 green.
What else came in it? Oh, look, there's the cartoon, see?
Yeah, I showed them it.
See, but now if you look, it's the kitties and the mouse, dude, look.
Yeah.
Look at the resting on his belly, see?
Wait, they changed color.
Look
Yeah,
at,
they changed color.
maybe. Look at the resting on his belly.
Yeah. This one goes on top. This way.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't work.
It's okay. What do you think?
I think it's really good.
Okay, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this one. Oh, wait. You forgot the poster.
And this is the poster.
Here, look, guys. There you go. Lost Kitties, Mice, Mania. And then on the back, it actually has
All the characters.
all the characters and what they come with, I guess. Yeah.
We got
See, we got
that one.
yeah, Squiffy and what is that? Springs, Stuman, and Trues or something.
That says Springs, Snooze, and Doze.
There you go. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to know when I upload videos, give that bell a little ding-a-ling-a-ling, right?
Yep.
And last, but most importantly, remember, guys,
Don't let the zombies get you.
bye for now.